Oh man, YouTube was good, was good. So, I'm Phil Beats. Welcome to the channel. I would say one thing that really pushed me to go this direction with the channel was my sister Layla. Shout out Layla, she's in Canada right now on her internship, doing great things. What you can expect from this channel are just things I'm interested in my life. I mean, just everyday things. Like, I love shoes. You'll see unboxings, shoe reviews like this video, of course. Rhythm roulettes, where I go into like vinyl stores, select like maybe a record, 2 or 3, take them home, sample it, make a new beat. Mukbangs, I love eating, love food, love cooking, things like that. Traveling, vlogs, you'll see my friends. I mean, there's a lot of things that, I want to give y'all some insight to, as opposed to just what you see on my Instagram or what I posted so far on my channel. Without further ado, let's get into it. I don't want to take up too much of y'all's time, but I had a pack coming today from StockX. So let's get it going. Here it is. Great brand to start a shoe review with. Here's the playlist. Just a little hint as to what it may be. Nike Golf. Comes with a 1 year, 2 year warranty. Okay, waterproof. That's cool. That's cool. Protect the consumer. All right. So, actually, before I pull them out, let me just show y'all. Give out some details as to what we're getting into today. All right, so I got the Air Jordan 1 Low Golf, white, black, and royal blue. I believe they're called royal toes. One thing I really love about the Air Jordan 1s are just how they're very versatile. They can go with, shorts, pants. The highs, I love the highs, don't get me wrong, but I just love how these can go with like any outfit, honestly, because I feel like highs kind of look weird with shorts. Personally, that's my opinion. But don't get me wrong, I love highs. I'm gonna definitely get some. But right now, you can see a little verified tag. The official. It is very flexible too. You know what I'm saying? Doesn't put too much pressure on your foot. But yeah, these are actually my second pair of Air Jordan 1s. And I'm not a golf player, as you can tell. I love basketball. It's the greatest sport, in my opinion. But I actually have another pair of Air Jordan 1s, which we'll get into. That's a whole nother story in another video. But we'll get to that later on. Comes with the royal blue laces. That might look kind of hard, honestly. Like, the black laces are like clean, but sometimes you gotta switch it up. You gotta throw some color, you gotta throw some flair in there sometimes. But yeah, classic Air Jordan logo on the heel. These are real sleek, this is a solid shoe. Like, I could see myself wearing these like pretty often. Also, it's cool they have the little Nike Golf logo on the outsole. Yeah, these got the factory scent. I love the new shoes now. Yeah, this is one of 3 packs that are actually on the way. This one's obviously here now, but can't wait to show y'all the on-foot review of these. So let's get into it. Air Jordan 1 Low Golfs. Yeah, so one thing I also wanted to mention before we head out of here today, these are golf shoes. So they actually have a little bit more traction than your normal Air Jordan 1. So the groove's a little bit taller and deeper and kind of dig into that ground more to give you that stability you need if you're playing golf. And you obviously don't have to be a golf player. These are spikeless, so you can wear them anywhere, any place. Like, it doesn't matter. You rock them, you know what I'm saying, anywhere. Just as an update as well, what's today, the 2nd? June 2nd, 2023. So Yeezy Day started May 31st. Pretty successful. I was able to snag a couple pairs, surprisingly. I remember I believe it was October 2022, came out with zilch, nothing. But, I mean, hey, Ye holds it down for his fans. It's day one, and I mean, I was able to get my hands on a couple pairs. I'll be getting one of them next week, and the second pair comes in toward the end of this month, toward the end of June. So those videos will be coming up. If you follow my Instagram page, Phil Beats with 3 L's, you could have, seen what they were. So hey, go follow your boy. The link will be in one of these corners. So before we head out of here, I actually want to give y'all a lesson. I'm gonna try to do this every video, give out something to apply to your life, something positive to think about. But the one for this one is, don't count yourself out before giving yourself a chance. I mean, there's plenty of times in my life where I thought it wasn't good enough. I thought I wasn't, meeting the expectations that were set for myself. But as long as you stay focused, stay grinding, keep the end goal in mind, I mean, you'll get there no matter what it is, whether it's work, school, anything. So with that being said, thank y'all for clicking this link, clicking this video. There'll be more to come, and see y'all later.